Hello, it's great to be with you, and I don't think anybody is going to complain, especially about the weather. I'm Derek Ray on the commentary gantry, and delighted to be joined as always by Stuart Robson. And without doubt, a match with the potential to bring genuine excitement. It's Hellas Verona against Morocco.
Well, thanks, Derek, as always. The scene is set, two good teams, a great playing surface, and a vibrant atmosphere. It has all the ingredients for a really exciting game.
And scope for them to produce something exciting. Pull it. There it is! A delightful start to this match. Just what they were hoping for.
Well, I have to say, this is a really good goal. Just watch his technique here. He just hits through the back of the ball with such power. There's no stopping that.
Well, the ball is moving once more. How important will that opening goal prove to be? Well, it looked highly promising, but they got nothing out of it. Ruud Gullit. Drogba has it. Dennis Bergkamp. Kai Havertz. Bergkamp. Opportunity, and there it is! A two-goal cushion now, and they just need to keep the concentration.
Well, here's the replay, and just look at that power. That's almost unstoppable. That's a great strike.
So back underway with the lead standing at 2-0. Zinedine Zidane. Okocha has it. Now, options are plenty. A fine reading of the situation. David Ginola. Havertz. Goalkeeper's ball, and was always going to be. Touré. And on to Touré. Well, it was a risky challenge, but brilliantly executed. The first half here comes to an end. So back underway, and an intriguing second half in prospect. Casemiro. Might be on. A real opening now, but superb defending. Ginola. Gullit. Drogba has it. Fine defending from Touré. Unable to keep the ball. Manuel Akanji. Ginola. William Saliba. Mendy has it. Mendy. Into the final 20 minutes. And both hands on it. Good goalkeeping. Manuel Akanji. Kai Havertz. Gullit. David Ginola. A chance for them to provide a test in the form of a corner. And a goal to put the final stamp on it. That will do it.
Well, here's the replay, and it's a really inviting ball played into the box, begging players to attack it, which makes it a fairly simple finish in the end. It's a really good goal.
Well, they've been getting the substitute ready, and now they will make the personnel change. Zinedine Zidane. Yaya Touré. Now Casemiro. Now with Toure. Plenty of support here. Toure. Return to Toure. And that will be all for this game. Defeat for the visitors. That's the big story.
Well, Derek, that just wasn't good enough today. A lack of a game plan, too many players below par, and not enough energy all around the pitch. A really worrying performance for me.